Yes, students, in this video, we will discuss exercise 1.3 of class 10, chapter 1, real numbers. First theorem in this exercise we are using, if p is prime number and p divides a square, then p divides a. What is the theorem? P divides a square, then p divides a. This theorem we have discussed in the last video. And second theorem we are using in this exercise is prove that root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational is the theorem. Root 3 is irrational number is the example. And first sum of this exercise is prove that root 5 is irrational number. We are doing all three sums and all two sums and this theorem by the same method. Let's start with the theorem. Prove that root 2 is irrational number. We will do it by contradictory method. Contradictory method में हम क्या करते हैं कि पहले अपनी सपोजिशन करते हैं. इसको सपोज करेंगे लेट इट इज रैशनल, फिर उसको हम कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करेंगे और अपनी सपोजिशन को रॉन्ग कहेंगे. देन वी विल से हेंस इट इज इररेशनल. रूट 3 को भी ऐसे ही करना है, रूट 5 को भी ऐसे ही करना है. लेट स्टार्ट दिस थ्योरम. लेट इसका सॉल्यूशन लिखते हैं. लेट रूट 2 इज रैशनल नंबर. ये हमारा कैसा है? रैशनल नंबर. इफ इट इज रैशनल देन इट इज कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एट p by q, where p and q are co-prime integers. Therefore it can be expressed as root 2 is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-prime integers, q not equal to 0. q we have supposed q is root 2 is rational. अगर ये rational है तो it can be expressed as p by q. p is in an integer, q is an integer and q not equal to 0. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What we will get after squaring? Root 2 का square करेंगे we will get 2 and p by q square is p square by q square. By cross multiplication we got p square equal to 2q square. p square equal to 2q square. यहां पर एक बात नोट करते हैं. क्या देखो, p square equal to 2 multiply q square. q is an integer, तो p square is multiple of 2. यहां से हमें क्या कंक्लूड करेंगे? p square is multiple of 2. And by this theorem we have done in earlier video, we can say p is multiple of 2, and this is our first equation we will use in further in this theorem. P square is multiple of 2. This shows p is multiple of 2. Now again, let p is equal to 2r. p equal to 2r. Squaring both sides. We got p square equal to 4r square. But from above, that is here, p square equal to 2q square. This shows 2q square is equal to 4r square. That means q square equal to 2r square. What we got? q square equal to 2r square. This shows like this. p square equal to 2q square. p square is multiple of 2. p is multiple of 2. Same is here. Therefore q square is multiple of 2. This shows q is multiple of 2. This is equation second. Look at the two equations, equation first and equation second. What is the equation first? Equation first is P is multiple of 2. Equation second, Q is multiple of 2. What it shows? What it shows? From equation first and second. From equation first and second. Both P and Q are multiple of 2. That is 2 is common factor. 2 is common factor of P and Q. It is contradiction. It is contradiction to our supposition. ये हमारी supposition क्या था? क्या suppose किया था कि √2 इक्वल टू पी बाई क्यू, हेयर पी एंड क्यू आर को प्राइम इंटीजर्स, उनके बीच में कोई फैक्टर कॉमन नहीं है. It is contradiction to our supposition. So our supposition is wrong. Supposition is wrong. √2 is not rational. √2 is not rational. √2 is irrational. So both theorem we are completed now. This theorem, P is prime number. You are using this theorem here like this. P is prime, divides, because 2 is prime, it divides Q square, then 2 divide Q. Same theorem we are using here. And equation 1 also earlier. And this we have done, prove that √2 is irrational number. Now we move to the exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Prove that √5 is irrational. Same you are having again example. Prove that √3 is irrational number. वो भी इसी तरीके से करना है जैसे हमने थ्योरम की थी. Prove that √2 is irrational. ये भी उसी तरीके से करेंगे, कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी तरीके से. Let's start. Solution. Let √5 is rational number. It is rational number. If it is rational, then can be expressed as P by Q, and in standard form of P by Q, we are having P and Q co-prime. This shows √5 can be expressed as P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime integers, Q not equal to 0 and Q not equal to 0. We have supposed √5 is rational number. If it is rational, can be expressed as P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime. They are not having any common factor, and Q not equal to 0. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. 5 is equal to P square by Q square. यहाँ 1 लगाया जा सकता है. By cross multiplication, we got P square equal to 5 Q square. This shows P square is multiple of 5. That means P is multiple of 5. This is equation first we will use in this question. And then further, now again P is equal to 5R. P equal to 5R, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. क्या होगा squaring both sides? P square equal to 25R square. 25R square. But from above, what is from above? P square equal to 5 Q square. But from above P square equal to 5 Q square. This shows 5 Q square equal to 25 R square. And Q square equal to 5 R square. सेम कंडीशन यहाँ आई थी हमारी. P square equal to 5 Q square. यहाँ क्या आ गया? Q square equal to 5R square. This shows Q square is multiple of 5. That means Q is multiple of 5. This is equation second. From equation first and second, this is equation first. ये इक्वेशन फर्स्ट है हमारी, ये इक्वेशन सेकंड है. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, बोथ P and Q are मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. दोनों किसके मल्टीपल हैं? 5 के मल्टीपल है. Therefore 5 is common factor. 5 is common factor of P and Q. P and Q का कॉमन फैक्टर है. और हमने यहाँ क्या कहा था कि P and Q are co-prime. It is contradiction. It is contradiction to our supposition. हमारी जो supposition है उससे क्या है? ये contradictory है. Hence our supposition is wrong. क्या supposition थी हमारी? It is rational. Root 5 is not rational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational number. That's it. Let's start question number 2. Question number 2 करते हैं. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. इसको भी कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी तरीके से करेंगे. सेम मेथड वी हैव यूज्ड इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट इसको रैशनल सपोज करेंगे, देन इसके हमारी जो सपोजिशन है उसको रॉन्ग प्रूव करेंगे. लेट 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number. अगर ये रैशनल नंबर है तो इट कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज P by Q. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q. P by Q is rational. P by Q is rational number. ट्रांसपोज करते हैं ये 3 को. इसमें टू टर्म्स हैं, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेंड टर्म. इसको राइट में ट्रांसपोज करते हैं. क्या आएगा? 2 root 5 इक्वल टू P by Q minus 3. Now look here. P by Q is rational, minus 3 is rational. Rational minus rational, we always get rational. So what we will get? P minus 3Q by Q. अब इसको देखते हैं क्या है ये. 2 root 5. 2 को भी उधर ट्रांसपोज करते हैं. 2 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई है, उधर जाके डिवाइड में. root 5 इक्वल टू P minus 3Q by 2Q. अब क्या करेंगे? बिकॉज P by Q is rational, we have supposed. Therefore, P minus 3Q by 2Q, where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. You want to mention here. P minus 3Q by 2Q is also rational. ये हमारा नंबर कैसा आ गया? रैशनल. ये रैशनल है तो ये किसके इक्वल है? रूट 5 के. देयरफॉर रूट 5 इज रैशनल नंबर. रैशनल नंबर. बट वी हैव प्रूव्ड अर्लियर. इससे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या था? रूट 5 इज इरेशनल. बट वी नो रूट 5 इज irrational. रूट 5 इज irrational. हमें पता है रूट 5 कैसा है? irrational. यहाँ कह रहे हैं रूट 5 रैशनल है, यहाँ कह रहे हैं रूट 5 irrational है. इट इज कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन. It is contradiction. So our supposition is wrong. So our supposition is wrong. Contradiction किस कारण हुआ है? हमारे supposition के कारण. ये हमने सपोज किया था कि ये कैसा है, रैशनल है. सो this implies 3 plus 2 root 5 is not rational. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Let's move to the question number 3. Question number 3, it has 3 parts. First part is 1 by root 2, 7 is 7 root 5, or in third part 6 plus root 2. We have to prove that these are irrational. First part start करते हैं. Let 1 by root 2 is rational. 1 by root 2 is rational. If it is rational number, then it can be expressed as P by Q. 1 by root 2 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Q not equal to 0. 1 by root 2 equal to P by Q. Making reciprocal. Making reciprocal both sides. Reciprocal both sides. दोनों तरफ रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं. तो यहाँ क्या आ गया, ये रूट 2 बाई 1 इक्वल टू पी बाई क्यू. रूट 2 इक्वल टू पी बाई क्यू, एंड पी बाई क्यू इज रेशनल. पी बाई क्यू इज रेशनल. P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers. Q not equal to 0. रेसिप्रोकल किया है हमने तो Q by P हो जाना चाहिए था. Yes, Q by P. Q by P. Q by P. P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. This we have supposed. Therefore, Q by P is rational. P by Q rational था तो Q by P भी rational होगा. Therefore, root 2 is rational. क्योंकि Q by P किसके इक्वल है हमारा? Q by P है हमारा root 2. Root 2 is rational, but we know root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. It is contradiction. It is contradiction. Therefore, our position is wrong. Our position is wrong. 1 by root 2 is not rational. It is irrational. It is irrational. सेकेंड पार्ट करते हैं. 7 रूट 5. 7 रूट 5. 7 रूट 5. सेकेंड पार्ट हमारा. लेट 7 रूट 5 इज रैशनल. इसको भी हमने क्या सपोज कर लिया कि ये रैशनल नंबर है, और रैशनल है तो कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज पी बाई क्यू. This was 7 root 5 equal to P by Q. क्या हमारा? Where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. It is rational. It is rational. 7 को ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, we get root 5 is equal to P by 7Q. If P by Q is rational, if P by Q is rational, then P by Q is rational, then P by 7Q is also rational. ये भी हमारा rational है. और P by 7Q किसके बराबर हमारा? रूट 5 के. This shows root 5 is rational. Root 5 is rational, but we know earlier we have proved कि root 5 is irrational, but we know root 5 is irrational. यहाँ कह रहे हैं रूट 5 इज irrational, यहाँ कह रहे हैं रूट 5 इज rational. It is contradiction. It is contradiction. So our position is wrong. Our position is wrong. 7 root 5 is not rational. 7 root 5 is irrational number. करते हैं थर्ड पार्ट. 6 plus root 2 is irrational. By the same contradictory method we will prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. करते हैं. Let 6 plus root 2 is rational. सपोज किया कि रैशनल नंबर है, रैशनल है तो p बाई क्यू की फॉर्म में लिखा जा सकता है. तो 6 प्लस रूट 2 इक्वल टू p बाई क्यू, वेयर p एंड q आर इंटीजर्स, q नॉट इक्वल टू 0. 6 को ट्रांसपोज करते हैं. रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू p बाई क्यू माइनस 6. p by q minus 6. Now if p by q is rational, then p by q minus 6 is also rational. क्यों होगा रैशनल? ये रैशनल नंबर है, 6 भी रैशनल नंबर है. रैशनल नंबर माइनस रैशनल नंबर ऑलवेज एन रैशनल नंबर. तो ये क्या सारा क्या होगा? ये रैशनल नंबर. ये किसके इक्वल है? रूट 2 के. देयरफॉर रूट 2 इज रैशनल नंबर. रूट 2 क्या आ गया हमारा? रैशनल नंबर. बट वी नो दैट रूट 2 इज irrational number. रूट 2 इज irrational number. It is contradiction. यहाँ तो कह रहे हैं रूट 2 इज irrational, यहाँ कहा था रूट 2 इज rational. It is contradiction. So our position is wrong. 6 plus root 2 is not rational. 6 plus root 2 is irrational. That's it for this 1.3. Thank you.